very special person that makes every day worth living, because Christmas is a special time for giving. Merry Christmas, Jack Howard. Would have asked for your number at that party, but I was a coward. Merry Christmas, Jack Howard. Crap, nothing else rhymes with Jack Howard. For the videos in which you say things that make some people laugh, for the times I've touched myself thinking of you in the bar, and for all the shipping rumors that have made some people cry. I put your face in a snow globe once and it improved my life. Merry Christmas, Jack Howard. Well, I dream of the day that you come and give me flowers. Nothing rhymes with Jack, and hope the next year brings you lots of